Neurpac, Enhanced IoT Networks in Action. Neurpac is a complete rethinking of how computers and IoT devices use data. Instead of computer files with a lot of extra data so humans can understand them, Neurpac acts like a translator, so that to the computer or IoT device only needs to operate on the information in the file and doesn't waste its resources, bandwidth, processing, storage, power, on extra bits that are there for humans to read a file. The power of this new concept in data means that Neurpac can expand IoT bandwidth by a factor of 4 times, and at the same time, in the same computing step, add strong security. For energy companies, this means you can send 4 times more data from an offshore rig or a remote mine, or cut your satellite data transmission costs by as much as 75%. A delivery service like UPS can send 4 times more data from its trucks, predicting maintenance requirements, recording tracking locations, and ensuring better data movement even in challenging connectivity conditions. Car companies can send more data in real time. An Air Force aircraft can greatly enhance its connectivity with ground control and other aircraft. And all of this with far better security, even when encryption is already in use so that the code words are encrypted. Once the code words reach the destination, they can either be decoded for use virtually, instantaneously, or stored. Instead of adding more bandwidth via hardware upgrades or incurring big latency penalties by using compression, and instead of seeking security by tracking on an encryption algorithm, Neurpac accomplishes all of that with one small ultralight algorithm. And coming later in 2024, your Neurpac encoded data will be just as searchable and usable as if it all was in its original inefficient form. Neurpac is available now as an easy-to-test, easy-to-use software as a service on Amazon Web Services and on Azure later in 2024. Testing it on your data can be done in minutes. You will know just how much your data can be reduced without losing a single bit of information you need. Check with our representatives or reach out to info@atombeamtech.com for a demonstration.